This is my brother Steven, and for 50,000 bells on Animal Crossing, he's going to eat
half a dog
half a dog biscuit. This one appears to be bacon. I'm gonna eat half. Well, somewhat half of this bacon dog biscuit, so he can pay off his mortgage to Tom Nook.
I had trouble doing this before, but either way.
Describe to us the flavors of this Big Value Dog Snacks dog biscuit.
Crunchy.
Okay, that was textures. Now, what about the flavors?
Pointy.
Pointy isn't a flavor. Does it taste like anything you've eaten before besides the other dog biscuit?
Honestly, nothing you can eat tastes as bad as a dog biscuit.
But wait, what is this? It's a dog! Here, Jet. Jet likes dog biscuits. He'll promote them.
Stuck in my tongue.
I thought you were supposed to lick it first to get the taste like acquired to your mouth.
You gave me another peanut butter.
That's not peanut butter, dude. That's bacon. Peanut butter is yellow.
It's chicken. My dog woman. It is peanut butter.
Okay, I guess he's eating a peanut butter one. It looks like bacon.
I wanted a bacon one.
Okay, I'll get you a bacon one.
Oh, heck no.
Oh, it's peanut butter.
Deep. Hey, Jet. Too late. I already ate this one.
At least lick it when you're done with that one. Biscuits!
I get AIDS from the time blade.
You won't get AIDS from eating a dog biscuit.
How do you know?
Because I just do. And there goes with another dog biscuit. Jet, catch. Oh, you suck. How's it going over there? There goes the swallowing and gag reflex. Toast your mouth.
Now I'm gonna drain this glass of water.
First you have to lick this one. Just so people at least know you put one in your mouth. Wait, let me get a side view of that. Very nice.
Okay, now report. Now watch me as I drain this cup of water. Because that was the most disgusting taste in the world.
Very nice.